Paying for addiction treatment can be challenging, but there are options available to help you or your loved one get the necessary help. Here are some tips on how to pay for addiction treatment. Check your health insurance policy. Many insurance plans cover addiction treatment to varying degrees. Contact your insurance provider to understand what's covered and what your out-of-pocket expenses might be. If you're eligible, Medicaid or Medicare can provide assistance in covering addiction treatment costs. Research the requirements and apply if you qualify. Some treatment centers offer sliding scale fees based on your income. This means you pay what you can afford, making treatment more accessible. Nonprofit organizations and government agencies sometimes offer grants or scholarships to individuals seeking addiction treatment. Research local resources and apply for available programs. Some employers provide employee assistance programs, EAPs, that offer counseling and treatment services for addiction. Check with your HR department to see if this is an option. Some treatment centers offer financing options or payment plans that allow you to spread the cost over time. Explore local community resources, such as support groups or faith-based organizations, which may offer free or low-cost addiction treatment services. Some states have publicly funded addiction treatment programs. Contact your state's Department of Health and Human Services to inquire about available resources. Consider starting a crowdfunding campaign or organizing fundraisers with the support of friends and family to help cover treatment costs. Talk to treatment centers about potential discounts or negotiate costs. Some facilities may be willing to work with you to make treatment more affordable. Remember, seeking help for addiction is a crucial step towards recovery. Don't let financial concerns deter you from getting the support you need. Explore these options and reach out to addiction treatment centers for guidance on how to best pay for treatment. Your health and well-being are worth the investment.
Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.